Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic components of BOP. BOP means balance of payment. In earlier video we discussed about the meaning of BOP, then what is the significance of BOP. So what is BOP? Balance of payment. BOP is the statement of transaction of one country with the rest of the world. Transaction means monetary transaction. In this we include export and import of goods and services and transfer payments. Transfer payments means if we are giving donation to other nation or other nation donating in our own domestic country, then these transfer are including. So it is the monetary record of monetary transaction of one country with the rest of the world. So today we will discuss about the components of BOP. Okay, components means what are the components of BOP. So mainly components, there are three components. Okay, so first is current account. Okay, BOP components have three parts. So first is current account, then second is capital account, and the third is officially reserve account. Okay, current account, capital account and officially reserve account. So firstly we will discuss current account in detail, that what type of items or things are included in current account, then capital account and then official reserve account. Okay, so firstly we will talk about the current account. What is current account? So current account, in current account we include export and import of goods, export and import of services, then transfer payments. Okay, export and import of goods, export and import of goods, and in goods we can say visible goods. Okay, export and import of visible goods or goods. Visible goods means the goods which can be seen while crossing the boundary of a country. Okay, then export and import of services. Services cannot be seen. Okay, then second in this we include export and import of services. Export and import of services. Then third, transfer payments. Transfer payments means one-side payments like gift, grant, donation to any other country or other country donating in our domestic country. So these type of things are included in current account. So what is current account? Current account is that account in which export and import of goods and export and import of services and transfer payment are recorded. Okay, so now we will discuss about the structure of current account, that what is the structure of current account. Structure of current account. So structure of current account we include first exports of goods. Exports of goods means that goods which are exported, means we can say visible goods. Export of visible goods. Okay, and what are visible goods? Goods which can be seen while crossing the boundary of a country. Then we include imports of goods. Imports of goods. Imports of goods we also include visible goods. Visible goods means goods which we import from other country. Okay, in export means we are exporting goods to other country and we are receiving payment. These record are maintained. Then imports of goods we mean that goods we are taking from other country and payment we are giving to other rest of the world. Then this import of goods are included. Import of goods means visible goods which can be seen like machinery. Okay, means electric things. Then invisible. In invisible we include income. So what type of income? Income we means compensation to employees. Compensation means salary to the employees, compensation to the employees. Non-factor services means service that cannot be seen, that are included in invisible. So non-factor services means insurance services, banking services, shipping, all these are included in factor services, non-factor services. Then current transfers. In current transfer we include gift, grant, donation, etc. Okay. So structure of current account, we have first export of goods, then import of goods means visible goods, then import of visible goods, export of visible goods, then invisible. In invisible we include three things, that income means compensation to the employees, then non-factor services. Non-factor services we include shipping, banking, then insurance services. Okay. Then current transfer. Current transfer means gift. If we are giving gift to rest of the world, and if we are receiving gift from the rest of the world, then this is included in current account. Then grant, donation. Grant means if we are giving grant or donation to the rest of the world, or if we are receiving, then all these are included in current account. Okay. So this is the structure of current account. And how we estimate current account means in this exports and imports of goods, import of goods are included of goods. Okay. So if we have export is equal to import, it means trade balance. Trade balance. Okay, because trade balance, in trade we include trade. BOP is the statement of record of transaction of all the monetary transaction of export of goods, import of goods, visible goods, invisible goods, services and transfer income. But in balance of trade we include only export and import of goods, means export and import of visible goods only. So if our exports and import are equal, then we have trade balance equilibrium, or we can say our trade is in balance. Okay. If we have an import is greater than our export, then we have deficit balance. Deficit balance. If import is greater than export, then we have deficit balance, and if export is greater than import, then we have surplus trade balance. Surplus trade balance. Okay. So this is showing the balance of trade. Means if we are recording, estimating only export and import of goods, then we have trade balance. Okay. And this export and import of goods is a part of current account. It is only a part of current account, because in current account other things are also recorded. So this is the trade balance. Export and import are equal. We have trade balance. If imports are greater than export, then deficit. If export are greater than import, then surplus. Okay. Then we came to the services. Okay, export and import of services. In services we include like banking, insurance services, shipping, all these are compensation to employee, grant, gift, these are transfer payments. Okay. So in this we include trade balance, we can say trade balance plus services. In services we include all these: compensation, banking, shipping. So if we want to estimate current account, then we will include export and import of goods. Firstly goods plus services plus transfer payments. Okay. So like this we will calculate or we will estimate current account. Okay, if our current account is in deficit, it is surplus, or it is in balance. While adding all these value, we will came to know that it is balance or imbalance. Okay, so what is current account? Current account is that account in which we record all the export and all the transaction of export and import of goods, means visible goods, export and import of services, invisible. Then we include the compensation, grant, transfer payments, means gift, grant, donation. All these are type of transfer payment. We can say one side payments. Okay, one side payments means one nation is giving to other, but that do not create any liability or do not causes reduction in the assets of the country. That are transfer payments. Okay, so this is our current account balance. Current account. Okay, this is a part of a BOP components. In next video, we will discuss about the that is next capital account. Okay, capital account. So students, watch the video and also read from your book. If you have any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.